What's up, guys? Welcome back to Kiera TV and welcome to our next movie. Sorry for late post, but me I'm not gonna give you on Thursday, but instead I'm gonna get it today. But hope you enjoy. I want to say a big thank you for 10k subscribers. I really appreciate it. If I never for more the day or so, it's really appreciated by me, and on behalf of me and the team, we appreciate it. Thank you. And next thing, guys, Wicked Man Chris, yes, Wicked Man Chris, Chopper Man Chris, him have him own channel, Broke Life Entertainment. It I got up on the screen over here, so, and the link I got it down in the description box below. Help him get to 1k. Him I go post movie very soon. And we also have me in there, Cherry and some of the other people want to see now this movie and the rest of movies them, and probably our next girl will not know. So we go on over there. I'm gonna shoot soon. Him and Shavi, yeah, two of them. So Broke Life Entertainment. Make sure someone go over their channel, subscribe, please. I know someone love Chopper Man Chris. I know someone want to see him act. So if you don't want to see him, I'm gonna go over Broke Life Entertainment. Thank you. Please do enjoy this movie and hope you have a good day, night, whenever you wanna watch this. Big up on yourself. Thank you. Morning, big brother.
Night. What do you know?
You don't like to say one thing, money, you don't give me fear off yet.
What does that have to do with that?
Chris, you can run some serious joke, you give me man money.
Next week, man. Next week, the entire check what, man. Check what next week, the entire 4 weeks are going on now. I trade there now. The landlord say I trade in rent money. So if you win, if you go up, you get it. If you lose, I just hit that. We just go it.
Chris,
Alright?
Tap bet with the man rent money. I didn't you know every minute that you do a bet pan game and I do a trading foolishness with the man money. Give me man money, man. You pay too much.
I make it Sunday to that door. They just walk like you fish and never know. I trading money that door.
Yeah, but you have to pay money rent,
No,
Chris.
man, no. Tell him for weird.
Me I will pay you, give me back. Make sure you win, I'm not play.
If you win, you get it back. I drop money over there, man. Let's take it up and go. Can I book over there so you see it?
Yo, you're around too much, you know.
I rent money if you take up in a thief.
So that means take up your Well, go on, let me say call. Sorry, me that do something.
Oh, yeah. I'm going to go there and go see it.
Yeah, I left country, come up Portland, come stay. What could I call that?
Yeah, nothing I get along so good enough.
When you come?
Roll tomorrow.
Alright.
Yeah.
When I come, me have to go talk. I don't want to talk over phone because I want to know what your problem. But alright, you can come. And when you come, we talk about the other stuff we have to go do when you're there too. Because you know, say I'm tell you already, see my brother from mother side there.
Alright, then I'm going with her.
Alright.
Tired is up now.
Tired body now have yet, Chris. Where you go?
Me go shop.
Look here now.
Yeah, look.
Come here.
Yeah, come here.
You know, say my sister by my father's side, you always hear me talk on the phone. Children,
Yeah.
she come stay with me. We have one extra room, we have extra somebody we can help you pay bill and parent and buy food now.
Where she come here, come I don't know where she come here.
She don't say she come. I don't know, she said something, she don't know, she not tell me yet. When she comes to
So you invite people here and you don't know where they come do?
I'm my sister.
So?
She asked me help.
So I'm too she there.
She does say some problem with she and daddy. Remember saying me not tell you story about my father and a good man and he love treat me like picnic. So he say what she want forward come stay with me. Say no problem.
You know what them is a tenement here they are up here. You know what tell me?
Why that shop?
And so this thing work, you know. You ask me, you come to me and ask me say oh boy
Wait
brother.
to what we have.
No, listen what you say. Listen what you say. You tell me, you never ask me. You could come and say boy brother, support me no want you come. You know boy, you know. I say mother grow. Just me not going to go shopping, because you're right there.
Oi, remember say no.
You
We
chat
can't
too
get
much,
help
man.
here. Go long.
Yeah, we go move.
I walk with that.
Say that in front of me. Say that I'm here.
Why the shop? No shop here go.
Oh. You're good man.
It's your tune.
Yeah.
Where you reach? You know about to come?
Yeah, me still forward.
I know you not tell me why reason I can't feel left which way you left to come. We are poor to come stay with me now.
When me come here, we know, man.
Alright, so you want to tell me when if you come in there, where you reach? You in a bus or what?
They in a bus same way.
Alright.
Ah.
Where you go with that the big old bag? And if you go live?
I don't plan to go back no time soon.
Oh, you finally realize that the dirty baby and left him home, not true? Yeah man, that we do you. Anyways, come on, cause right now I'm hot and far me up for walk. I don't know why I can never make a taxi bring you to the yard. I say you broke?
Yes.
Alright, come on.
Take care of my bag.
We will one side. Where's a really happening?
You know, some of my friend upset because that they treat my body like everything we say just come together in different now. We start rather other people pick the up but me. I don't know what go and feel me now. Like in just get completely different you know.
Then girl, that I same reason why I left from first. Country nice and everything, you know. Cause you have grown food and you can't get anything but daddy be disgusting, bad, and I can't deal with him. And you love treat people like say, we are picking said you and understand so we will be well picking them boy. We can't deal with him, that's why I'm there for life. But anyways, we are planning to do the work. As we tell you, me and my brother and my mother side live, I can pay rent, bills, grocery at Portland, here bad. So what you going to do?
You know, say, I plan for start look work because I have few resume me already, you know, so I just print them off and drop them off at some place. And hopefully place call me for work and so forth. Because I drop them off whole heap of place. And try to get a job so I can help out in the house and so forth.
Well, that is good to hear. Anyways, when I go in to show you a bathroom in the kitchen, I saw we there for walk past and me just bring in a room a while ago. My brother, Chris, don't go in a room, none at all. In the online job, when you're using your laptop and your earphone, don't go in a room, none at all. Not even go in your room where kind of miserable and kind of something then. Please, me, I beg you, please. Yeah, that's it. You can't say me name one you. Bro, man, map there, when I wake up my time, but I still have phone, I know you can. Young with a phone, but put up, sweep off your veranda, map it. And I have to map it with the wet map because I already grown you know already. The kitchen, water go up on Monday and Thursdays in 5 o'clock. So you know you'll be here before that. What else you want to know? Anything else?
No man, I'm good man.
Alright, come on.
Something for you ask you, you know. Imagine you invite people to your yard, right? See that could tell me say girl nasty.
You have to talk that so loud? What if a girl will come in at ear?
What do you mean by me have to do them things alone? Me can't tell you plate in the kitchen with nasty stuff for shut up. Them then allowed in the kitchen there so I bed we want to spread up in the sun allowed. You know tell them something says me tell you say me know nobody in my yard, me not like nasty people brother. And you have the girl in a nasty. Are you going to play him? You going to spread our bed and there something there? You talk to you, know. Three sisters, you know answer. All culprit, watch you. Hear me, I tell you now. If me go road and come back and plate and wash and our bread not spread, you and her have to go to the door go sleep. You hear me say, boss man?
Chris, me I want to talk to you, girl. Why can't you go on so? I mean, I wash the plate if she eat out, she will go wash it. Me go talk to her when she come back. Where you go put?
And suppose you talk to her and I see same thing, where you going to tell me? Say, you really go for me and tell me. Say, me I tell you again as a big brother, if me come back from the road and the plate then don't wash, the bed not spread, the house not sweep out, you and her go to the door. I mean I ask Christ that. Tell me I tell you, here. Don't talk. What is it?
Yeah, me tell you, Mass Joe and the woman over there fight. Me say, for a old man, me know, in just... I don't even know what Shani can do that, such a old man. Me say, me can't, me say, the man feeling nice. And the idiot sit down over there with the man too, you know. And if like say man is young or whatsoever, old man. At this point, I wonder if somewhere never have to go. I said, say go be true, you know. See him so. May I hang up now? May I talk to my sister? Ah.
Jerian, 2 weeks since today, you know. I don't see you push out for go look no work. You say you have resume, I don't see you dress up for Kiera or none. What happen?
My girl, not because you know see me I bring out the resume, you mean say me not do it. Me I carry them out, me I drop them off at people in store. But me not have to dress up to drop them off. Me just go in, ask the manager and drop off my resume. It's just that me not get back no call.
You have to try harder, you know. At the 26th of this month, rent for pay. Grocery then soon done. For you come here, you eat. Everything soon done. Normally, food not done so quick, but I try we eat out there now.
So what me fi do? Me not have no money, me not work now. I'm not even eat that much food out there. So you can't blame me. Probably you I eat more since me come to. But you know, me I look you work still. Me I look few work and go up on the hustling just the same. But me not have no money to pay rent this month.
Alright, just go and look harder, see if you can find out. Please, me I beg you. Because bills have to pay. I interview you go on or get to get work.
I work me I go. You see, me look nice and thing. I work me go in.
Work? I'm gonna see you go on the interview. I interview you go on, man.
You interview yes, but me basically get a job, so I work me I go. You don't know anything set, man.
You move too fast, man. Wait till the people they say you get the work. Boy, you basically get it. Anyway, good luck and I hope you get through for 2 cards. They don't tell you already. The 26th of this month. Later.
Alright, later.
Alright.
Alright there. How are you doing, sir?
No man, that's something I see. I'm me look funny.
You know me not like any already, don't?
I just saw me see someone come up and me look funny.
Did he ask to come here?
Me
Me no want you. Me no want you here. Step out and stop bitching. Just step out. Please just step out. Step! Me no care what the just step out. Just step out now, please. Just step out now. Come on, man. Come on, man. You have friends in my room. Come out now, man. You just sit down there. Come. Can I take a seat? Come on, man. Virgin, their church, man. Just come on, man. Just come out now, man. Friends in my room. Sure.
Hello, good evening. Where you walk to? So your name?
I am Talia and you?
My name is Roshan. Me always see you walk, go to the shop. Where you live?
Yeah, I live up there and go to lane. Okay, and how?
Okay, so one day I see you walk still in a pre-out. Like, you can't get the number.
No, you can't get my number. Boy, I'm not telling a lie, but I'm afraid of man bad. The things that I'm going through, I'm afraid of man. Sorry. You can't get my number.
So I can see you back though.
I promise you I'll go see me back in because I'm not really a road person. I only go up on the road when time I really have something to do.
I'm afraid of that one, man. The one I'm bite. You can't give me a number for real. Because I would really love to continue the conversation.
Well, too bad for you. This conversation will never be continued because every man I see him, so me no business if you are going to say you different from them. Every man I see him. Plus, me tell if you hear that, me different. Bye.
Okay, my man, I really like you. I want the number. Just do me honor and give me. I don't know what I'm going to see you.
Fine. Did you? Bye.
So we take there.
Sit down, let me talk to you.
Every minute you want to talk.
You know me like chat already, slow me. Sit down.
What?
Let me go to boom, so I did it. See? I come out for go shut up piece. After 2 seconds, I come here, I see chair and cock up the room for my laptop. So what blues me in there watch? What I really tell me say? I tell you talk to the girl, you bring him over yard, and I can't say one good thing about him, you know.
Me not tell her man say she not fit come go in your room and she not fit touch nothing for you because you're miserable and she still not here.
Make it sound like my mama wants about me. My say you.
I know that, but me know your time for you. You don't want people on the laptop try to use your work. You don't want nobody to mess with your
She
work.
refuse buy about laptop? She refuse buy about laptop?
She get one little work now, yes?
That can't buy about my laptop?
Me don't know, but me gonna talk to her still.
You see by talk up on the back of that? Let me show you something. I really want to put her out in the life. I really want to put her out, but I show you. I better talk to her again. You see what I say? Because I see if me have to talk to her, you know, me don't know. You're not going to like it, you know. You know me stay already, you know. You see what I say? So I ask you, the last time, the last diggy, last time, talk to your mongrel sister, please and thank you. Alright? You understand me say?
Go talk to her, man. Go
Thank you
to her.
very much. Anyway, you're not fool of the eye, you know, go.
Yeah, me gonna cook, but
So-
me gonna talk to her first.
You want to talk to her first?
Yeah.
Come cook me dinner now, I'm hungry. Come.
May I sleep? Jerryan! Forward them and me chat to you.
Yeah, so.
You must say do. Remember me that tell you, about my brother room, you know. I tell us you not to go in your room and go in your room, you know. So you see you in your room.
Me I tell you, I like your brother don't like me because me not go in your brother room, no one talk, go trouble none of something them. Okay, tell me not go in there, me not go in there. You know, say turn your brother try turn it against me, know that me think of it because him not like me. You see the boy there? I can't stand your brother sometime, you know.
You don't know what it won't, you know, but it won't need to live good because I'm sure with them here. Anyways, when I talk about that right now, that's why I go in one time I come up with one girl. I mean, one young boy.
So why for me is one young boy, you know, say you know, go back in a more relationship because after heartbreak and all them something there. How you like him?
I didn't say that yes, girl, but 1 year and 1 year alone is not nice. So I don't know, I probably give him a try. But actually, yeah, talk because after all that heartbreak, them I don't even know. But I think about it. Anyways, how you not gonna work today, by the way?
Me get early day off. Then send me to take today. I'm
You
coming.
just start work?
Yes, I'm fortunate.
Me go cook still. Can you sweep up your for me?
Alright. Chris,
One day.
I want to talk to you, know.
Boy,
Your sister.
trading time, I don't know, mama.
But I want to talk to you important.
Yeah, God. Lose your friend. Come here.
Anyways, as I said, it's about her sister. What day she tell me about how she go out and date and something with one youth. But me know the youth personally, I want like a gunman. He full up a gun and his friend them a scammer, all them something there. And if like a one good youth, she take up herself and go in a relationship with.
Where I say again? Talk now.
Me I tell you, say sister there with scammer man.
Scammer man.
Yeah man, I'm gonna something. So if anything go wrong and them can't catch him, they will catch she.
Where she there?
Me don't know where she gone now, you know.
So she have man and me no know about that. Tell her you tell her, man. She can't take no man and me no know
Me
about
not tell no lie upon her. Me know the youth personally. Me always
Where you
a
come
see
from?
it.
Where you come from?
Down the road there so.
Down road where?
Down
Yeah,
the
we
road in the end of the lane.
Shoot that. You know his name?
Me no remember what his name, but me know a big scammer man.
Scammer?
Yes.
And gunman?
Yeah.
And tell you they with him?
Yes.
And tell you no, come to me with that?
Yes, me I tell you.
Where she there? Where tell you there?
Me don't know where she gone now. Probably she ain't gone to.
Tell you I can't
Him
bright.
gone to right now.
Pass me phone, me call her. Because she can't bright, so. Right.
Hey.
Yeah, no. You're not easy at all. Scammer man, you're saying there with a gun man?
Me say, yeah.
Scammer man? You sure it's
Scam
scam?
and gun man, me sure.
Man, you think you can give me 2 lead sheet, you know? I tell you not easy. David Scammer man. Wait there. Come in here. No. Me want to talk to you. Come here now. No. No, yesterday nor next week. No. No! Alright. So I have to wait till you come. Put on about that for this stuff now.
Alright.
First I come trading now, go so good. You can't come out now, because you know me not
Alright,
like it.
let's-
Just step out, man. You come on. You don't like it, you cock up in the room. Busy at the Forex. You come sit down, you know, but sat your ass right there. Sat your ass right.
I can't want to make a sense if you want.
Chat him out, come here so consider. You must see too ugly. Ugly about that. Ugly is about that.
Yeah. Where want?
See them tell me say a big man. How you start your show?
Where you see me become already? Me at 20 and you just 25 and you want like you're older and me
Still
by
bigger
far.
than you. Still bigger than you, yeah?
Why problem?
I wear pants in you. I will call the shots. I wear big man in you.
Me pay more
No, that. No. Me see you with scammer man down the road. Gunman and scammer man. You think I know that you the way there with? You think I know the same scammer?
Chris, why you so lie? You see me with scam.
Me don't see you down on you down there, so. Some youth find down the road there, so.
Any youth me go with you now sick cause I don't know when you're so.
You don't go on date with the youth.
A people here from
From
tell
who?
you so?
From so me not see what go on.
Alright, since you see what going on, what your issue? You have a problem with it?
Yes. Me know why you talk to the gunman and the scammer man.
Even on a gunman and a scammer man, I same thing we're doing.
Remember Roger from Uproad? Him and Roger link. Enough time I see Roger with gun go across the road. So him and Roger link. You know tell me that. I'm not gunman.
Roger cousin of trading like
So,
what you're doing do.
Trading in though.
Yes.
So me can't know him.
Of course you can know him. I can't even show you your work when you do. Imagine no scammer. Who even tell them foolishness say?
I'm not scamming in though.
No.
You
I
sure?
trading like what you're doing do.
You sure?
Yes.
You have proof.
Yes.
So me call him now. I'm taking before and call him now and say, oh, send me 2 lead sheet and he send me them. What you have to tell me say?
Where am I get lead sheet?
Oh, you know that? You pick up female, you're general, you know. Me just tell you, say, any you go to prison, you're going to spend life in prison. Don't call me for bail you. And don't call your ugly sister for bail you. Because I don't know when I go bail you. Just know what you do. Man you want, so you get what you look for. Come out, yes. Kiss your teeth and come out, because you're a big man. I tell you, you're a big man. Nobody can talk to you, now that me notice. Nobody can talk to you. Do what you do. No, I'm sorry for you. Come in here, so consider that, no? You go flouncy girl. Stick me in your size. Slap in your face. Right. I don't have to put on too much now. Put the laptop there. John. One you.
Chris, I can't have my food when me scammer and gunman as you claim. When you give me money to buy your son, you say eat. Are you so crap on my youth? You even put no money towards the food and as you done cook, you're gone in
So
your
if you
pot.
want your son, would have night, no?
Look how man a behave. You have to pay me for that, you know, 5 bills that. And you take some of my drinks for $6.50.
You talk to me? I don't eat my time. You
Chris,
can't
you're
talk to
too
me.
crazy, you know.
You can't talk no food sweet.
From see you straight to the low, I see you make nothing out there. You come and yam out my food.
So see, I'm grateful now. Now we're conversation.
Me want me $6.50. End of story.
Should come on. Give me one of them. Sure.
What you say? Give me my food.
Come take him. Take him.
Me want me $6.50 and that me I tell you.
Come fast. Sit down. Come pick one, huh? Come here, one here. Hold on. Go in the bathroom. And look at the title seat, yeah? Put your money, you can't do that.
Yes.
I can't get some more. Who buy you now?
Oh, you like it no more.
The little girl can cook.
Sweet job.
What? Your fault.
You left work it? Oh, you're home for now then. You're busy or you have time to talk? Or we have something to tell about, you know? About Russian? Girl, I think me love you. Me and ask me for movie in Live, I think I'm going to do probably sometime in another week. We are mean too fast, girl. A little too fast. We'll be a talk about 3 months or more. Remember. Yeah, me understand that, but it's nice and everything, and it's imperfect. It's not just everything I always wanted. Like, literally. Yeah, you would almost jealous. Yeah, very red. Very, very red. What? That not got me again. This time I'm sure about this one. Usually I'm not that sure, but tonight I'm sure. Yeah. Anyways, have a good day at work. When you don't know yard. No, I'm not sure if I cook because we are going tonight again. They pay you with that. I remember I don't go in Chris' room. Chris don't like you. I'm not alright. Yes, girl, I'm going to movie with it. Yes, for true. Girl, bye. Fast? What? Ugh.
Welcome home. Say you're home.
You have to turn next week because you're able.
Yeah, we'll pass it tonight.
All pot people too.
Where's your part-time people?
Pickle. Where bathroom there in the kitchen?
Bathroom the right out there, so, and the kitchen, your boss kitchen out there.
Oh, so we are going to cook or we are going to go eat or what?
We can go get something.
That's rich.
I'm not rich still, but that's more.
Alright, so we will be there, so?
Yeah, we can be here now.
Oh.
Can use this.
Yeah.
Mama, come? Yeah.
From?
No, I'm in here by your go.
Hey, you come and see this more. May I come and look?
Where else now?
You can't make your charge.
You just come for here and one charge, so?
My phone, they'll be on for the
One charge at the right over, so?
Alright.
No, we are dealing differently.
Oh, what is it? You have one there, so? What is in the bag?
You see enough to charge, you're going to look in a bag.
But me, it's in a bag. Oh, what is it have in a bag?
We not talk about me not in a bag.
They also dangerous. What you have in a bag, yes, so?
What are you doing, so?
Are you if you ask at your house?
Stop playing me. A prank? Where can I?
And a prank.
We
are doing that in your house.
I'm sure say I know Russian one.
Wait, are your house in now? So we are them that
But my house are
eat?
famous.
Yeah, your man in there plan to kill people. Me call left take my leave. This not safe for boxer.
Why you gonna left me alone in here with that?
Me gone.
on now? You don't cook nothing?
No, I don't cook nothing. Because I'm busy. I fret about this way I have in my house.
What that?
What do you mean? Stop going like it. You don't know why. You don't know why you have in a purple bag in our house behind the suitcase.
Me?
What you do with gun, Roshan?
Me?
No, me.
What me? Me don't know what that. And me don't put that behind this, sir.
Stop the bullshit and stop going like you want to take me for idiot, man.
When would I have this in our house?
That me want to know what you do with gun in the house. That me want to know. What are you doing with gun in the house?
And I'm
Me and you not stay here with that now. And that me tell you now, me and not stay here with
And
that.
I'm put it there.
Because me and you not go to jail. Because me not go no jail means not a jailbird.
Listen me. If I me they put that behind this, sir, first thing me not put gun behind I said that. If I me put it there.
You feel like something not no sense, no? My sister come here, you know, and she said she want to plug in her phone. She come over here to plug in her phone,
Yes.
and she find the gun behind the suitcase. Roshan, where you do with gun in her house when me there? Me I come here, you know, me not stay with you and that, you know, and that me I tell you, you know. So you go choose between me or your gun.
I know me put that there so we can't.
You know, so you take me for idiot.
What me I take you feed that with? I know me
If
can't
I
go in
hear
now.
a mines,
I know for
a
me I
mine.
must dopey put it there.
a joke this, a prank. What you mean a dopey? No, how you grow it? Somebody named Dopey? Me say if you stop going like you want to take me for idiot. Me say me not stay here, me a
Say,
left.
I
Me a
know me
left.
put that there.
Me a left. If I know you put it there, who put it there? Who
Me
put
no
it there?
know who put it there.
Oh, are you Dopey? So yeah, you Dopey them can stay in here with your gun, me gone.
See me I know me put that there say.
Alright, since you say a Dopey put it there, you want to Dopey them and the gun can stay in here. Me and not stay in here. You want to Dopey them go to jail. No me hear your excuse.
You see this? What would this reach in our house?
No work today?
Hmm.
No work today?
Tired, man. Tired of fuck. All time, you know.
Me don't know, me don't know phone with you.
Work, yes, how I go on, you know. What do you?
First, me see you at work.
Tired, man. I'm tired.
What we are going to eat today?
So you go eat? You plan to cook?
Yeah, if you buy something.
Say man can't buy your food. Man can't buy food again, put in the house.
Which man? Remember, say me any man left? Then you don't see me pack up and carry them back my suitcase and come back.
What a
and
coincidence. Me didn't know. Me didn't know a junk could ever good for you, know. So I can't even left now. How go on?
You know, say what the Cherry and come up there, right?
Yeah.
She said she want to plug in her phone.
Yeah.
So I'm sure I want to. When
Yeah.
she go behind the plug in the phone, behind the curtain, behind where my suitcase keep,
Yeah.
I want gun in up there.
What are we in a gunman there with?
But
Me think but what? Me say you never shot in your backside now. Cause you know here you know take telling. So what you do after what? You don't call police for the boy?
call which police? Me not call no police. Just pack my things and left me no business about him and him. He matter about I know him and I know him.
Yeah, idiot.
And I must see dope people.
Yeah, idiot. Brother. I 500,000 I give you, you know. If I call crime stop right now, I 500,000 I get, you know. I really not call police for him. I tell me say, well, brother, yeah, I provide today, you know.
Chris, I love him. Me can't call police when he fit to that.
Cheat on him and tell me, say, and when he shot in the backside now, you come to me and tell me, say, love him here. You damn fool. Me and you sit down and say, we are suffer. And you get the opportunity to get $500,000. And you not take it. You could have started busy with that, you could have carried out a road and something, you know. I make a fool, sir. Hear more, you know. Go down here and check if your gun still on. Me call the police, you don't have to call them.
You know, so everything you take for you, me not call the police. Me love him. Make me stay and deal with him business. He not hurt me, not business about him and him gun. But you see, I go.
If he shoot a killer, if he shoot a killer, are you? I will pay for your own funeral here. Alright, anyways, looking at Bible, you see $2,000. I don't know where you got shot to buy. Let's buy something.
How's that can buy?
And I don't get money this way, can go eat lobster and something, you know. Oh, me 4X I forget itself from one day, so nothing really going on for me. So you take $1,000 and you go buy a piece of chicken back, look at rice, and look at one tomato sitting and cook dinner here. Best thing I do, I get a mango on. Watch out, it's about $1,000 money. Watch out, Look at Cassie.
First of all, I like lobster. Remember, I'm allergic to seafood.
Watch out, you do. Alright, you know. Hungry, I know. Oh, God.
Come sit down and talk to you.
I don't want to sit down. And someone I go buy something for cook food for my brother. Can't get food. Where you want to talk to me? I can't stand up
I
here.
want to
So.
talk to you, so you have to sit down. Come now.
Talk quick. You have 5 minutes.
Me I say, me no know about the gun where your sister find in her house, where your sister claim say she find behind her suitcase or wherever she find. I know my gun. And me I beg you, please forgive me for all of that, because me no know where gun come from. Honestly, me I tell you, me no know where gun come from.
You tell me 1 million times before I left your place, say, and a year ago. And you come here, so just to tell me back the same thing and expect me to believe you? I'm like, you see.
Just listen to me I say now. And on my gun, me tell you that 100 times over and over. You still not really not believe me.
So if one of yours are over, or you end up there, you say you don't know. And then you alone, me will make me a talk foolishness. You alone there in that place, me and you. And the minds are not for you, over one. Or you end up there.
And on my gun. But maybe go ask one of my friends, maybe they remember, you know, so they always come in the house, in and out. When I did there, one of them have key. So maybe one of them carry gun come in there.
So, out of every other else house, I feel one them plan for just come and hide it behind it. It's a the suitcase. What a coincidence. How happened?
I go ask them, and I really need if you come home back. I'm lonely at night time since I'm gone. I'm really miss you. So just please come home back and forgive me.
I'm sorry, but can't forgive you for that.
Please, my little, forgive me. Please.
Fine, whatever.
You can't get wrong.
Tell big sister, wake up now. Tell it. You sleep right through the day. Yeah, woman?
Girl, I'm tired and I'm not up.
Sure. I chat more, I'm gonna chat to you still.
Oh,
Little piece of man we have.
again? You always have something to say. First you come here and find gun me and him push it out if I'm come back. What you have to say about him this time? What?
Your man a look me, he see me down the road, what do you? And start look me and say nothing wrong for two sister. Him and two sister talk. Your man there with you, stay there look for me like a surprise.
Of course I'm surprised. When that? I'm confused.
What do you when you and him there like a falling out and him there try to get you back? You see me and there look me.
Oh boy, no official. I don't know one thing or the other. I forgive him about the gun. And he really come and do this again. You better me pack up and let this and come here, you know.
That's up to you, I'm not tell you for your man, you know. But I tell you, for the sister, he know we are brother, we are sister, and he literally come to me and say nothing wrong. If him and two sister there, nothing wrong with that. A good something that. And then they try to tell me say, you know, and try convince me say I want good something. I just tell you because I am a big sister, you know. But if I be a small mother say nothing at all, you know. But that you come back in the relationship and say supposed to know what you want.
Thanks for telling me. When time it comes tonight, I go chat to him about him, I go pack my things and left. So I soon come back up here.
anyways, me come go up go look some feed. Cause me hungry not even have no food down here.
Come on, me go and pack again.
Ah, later.
Alright.
How you go?
Me yard, which part else me fi go?
Where you go yard for?
What you mean when me a go me yard for? You know when me a go me yard for? First, you have gone in here, you apologize that me forgive you. Now you all look my sister, my blood sister. What you mean?
Me, I look your sister. You see me with your 2 years, them I look your sister.
My sister tell me say she go somewhere and she say yo, yeah your friends I look her I tell her about oh but she tell us say me and her sister. How you feel look her? I tell her say nothing wrong if you and 2 sisters they already. What you mean if you are talk about like you don't know what me a talk about?
Me no me no pick up what you say. Me I look your sister with my friend them. I tell your sister say me fi there with 2 sisters. Me no understand that. Just pack up back and send them cause this no make sense.
Me not pack up back nothing, me a go
Me no pack up back.
me say me a go and me
You know,
yard.
you know.
Me a go and me yard, me done. Goodbye.
How old that?
Jerry.
What happened?
Nothing.
Tell her to live again.
Me know man, I come here for talk to.
Come in. Say you're going to me alone.
Me not bother nothing now. As when me dey tell you say no, I tell them I come here to talk to you about you know because things that all day are going within 2 hours a day, you wouldn't even believe.
Hey, what that?
All what I know, my things that Talia is a good and nice girl. Talia bad no backside. You wouldn't even believe the things that Talia they are doing them not talk. Why you to live up the road from away. Talia and him they are talking while Tone not talking and she claims to say she dey get money from him and call him something that's why she had do it. You wouldn't even believe this amount of things we could tell about Talia. You like hate her. As much as she and my sister, Janu, she's not a very good person.
Boy. It's like a God take me out of the relationship there. Swear. So you could otherwise when that we are talking about, you could otherwise when that.
I'm good at things, you know. But it seems like I need one woman around the house to go and take care of things and cook for you and things. And me I right woman for that, no, because I can take care of you well good. Not unlike that we could have done at all.
True you talk, but I'm really ready for jumping and nothing yet still. But just go on chancos and do my trading and just focus on what I want in a life right now.
I get what you're saying, but if you have one night someone will go and take care of the house and thing while you are there trading and they on laptop, you're good, you just can focus more upon that and while me I take care of everything else around the house. So you don't think about that and so forth. Because you can't think about it, you know, me I get a little time you think about it.
Yeah man, me think about it. I think about it man, because I really need somebody in the house too. Because I have night I have to buy box food and anything that and anything that not healthy. So Me give it a think. So what you do today? You come chill out or
I come to spend the day with them and chill and go and talk.
I not really go there still, no. Because I go collect a little thing at Western Union and I go somewhere else. So I'm not really go there. I'm go busy today. So you can go check me one next time. If me there. Because I'm not really there daytime. I go some books up some places. You know? So you can go now.
Alright then, me will go now, but me I come back and look for you next week and also make sure you're there. Me I come back and look
Next
for
week
you.
when?
Next week when?
Next week I'm supposed to. No, I'm supposed to have something next week.
Alright, me make you know when me I come back then. Because I
Yeah.
get extra busy.
I'm busy.
Alright, later.
Yeah.
Where do you?
You mean no me there, you make on look for?
Me a left, where you go look for me for? Me done, me no want to see my place. I'm telling her that already. Where you want?
That's something I can't tell you, man.
Talk quick. Not tell
Just
me.
not too long your sister come down on my yard and tell me one bag of something boy. Say when me I did that, you did a man up road and all kind of thing.
My sister couldn't tell her that. No, but I think so because you tell me something bad about my sister, means set me go there back with you. Me not believe that. So come with something better.
Mean say a lie me I tell. Your sister come up on my yard and tell me one. Them think I'm not like, you know.
You done talk? You done?
Alright, see next time she come up on my yard, I go video. I go video her and show her proof. Yeah, she come up on my yard.
One go ahead, this. Evelyn, come here. I want to talk to you on something. Cherian, you can't believe me, some idiot ex-boyfriend come to me one day. You remember when one day, some day what this week, but oh you come up on yard and tell him beer bad things about me. And about how you want him and Ray and nothing wrong if him and your day cause you can't ink. One piece of foolishness thing come and tell the boy you. Me no see a lie, I just running out of my house. Me tell her sweep up everyone.
What a boy lie? No sir, the boy that dread, you know.
Me say,
But they you that dread till look bad. Backside, me go up and yard, go look in, me not even go up and yard, find you left up there. So me go up in yard. The boy not rate me, you know. You know, see, your man like me, your man try to set me up just because me and your sister. I'm going to tell you, sure, me not follow you.
me say girl. Me can't believe so that idiot that really thinks them would have believed say you even go up and yard go say that. Me say, me sorry, so me never listen to you first time when I tell me say me no for there with him, you know. I just come me no listen to you when you talk. I make that reach me. Me no sorry for me, I'm good for me.
I'm glad so on the left. Because, see, the boy try to turn you an idiot. So good things they throw on the left.
Me sorry, me never listen to you when you tell me say anybody done the good for me.
Me say,
From the time I find me going in our house.
me say, if me tell a long time, you know, you never listen. Me I go in and go look some feet still, so
Alright,
later.
yeah.
Welcome. There.
Say what with? You lock up in the house. You lock up in the house.
No, I'm there.
Say lock up in the house.
No, I'm there. I want trade for done.
Say anything about something I ask it.
Plus, I'm not think about it yet. I'm busy. For a day, I start do some day trading. Pay day trading, I do. I start the month too.
I can't believe in a think about something yet. Yeah, I feel say excuse you give me, you know, you don't want to think about something. Feel like excuse you give me. You don't want to think about what me ask you.
No, man, no excuse me, give me. See, I sleep, me there sleep, man.
While they about to sleep, you could have think more what me I tell you and decide if you want it or no. Me not feel away if I say no, you know. You can't just think about it and be straight with me and make me know what is what. If you're interested or not.
Me make you know by tomorrow. Do you come back tomorrow?
Yeah, me can come back tomorrow and cook you some food, you know.
Yeah, man, just do that, man, because I'm there. But I'm around there still, so just come back tomorrow.
Alright.
Yeah.
You can't get out. You have me also.
Bye. Alright.
Later.
Don't be a man the way I do ya. I subscribe with you.
You tell me if you come back when me approve, see me approve that.
Proof of what? Let me see.
When your sister come up from me yard.
Let me see it. Cherry Ann. Una boss big hug do. Take this.
See me tell you, say no lie, me I tell. Come up from me yard, I second time this. And me I run her constantly, And she still a come back. She want cook for me. She want clean up the house. She want do everything for me.
Alright, thanks for telling me. I will talk to her about it. We get back to you in whether I'm going to move in back or not. So you can go on now. I'm tell Bex to do. Yeah, you can go on now.
There's something over here.
We are going to make you know. Cherian, stop playing fool and stop going like you don't know where we attack. First, you hide the gun in your house. Second, you go there and go tell him bad things about me. Third, you go out there go ask him if you not think about. You understand what I talk about? Or you don't know what I talk about?
Me know what you talk about?
Yeah, me did know, so you didn't go say that. That's why I have a video. Me see you and you can tell me say you don't know what I talk about. Listen what I say. Pack your things, clean up your room when I give you, and by tomorrow morning, you leave my place. We're done with you. Go on back to the country.
First and foremost, me no plant no go to your man yard. Where mother get gun from? Secondly, me no go your man place go chat nothing bad boy. Why mother chat anything bad about my sister? Thirdly, what you mean by me dey on video? What me dey on video I do?
That I same thing would I want to know. Cherry, and where you get gun? Where my little sister get gun? And where me where the pan video I do? The man tell me say in the dog video, you know. Cause first time he come and run him like a dog, you know. And tell me say you come there, you tell me say me the all have man when me and him attack, you know. And the man video you second time when you go back to him, you know, and you ask him, what you say? You say, you don't think about it something yet? I'm tell us you need a woman around the house, you know, and right there, I'll give him big hug and top boy, you go cook food game.
Me no got your man yet. Say if you want believe in lie, then we want we man tell you how believe anything you want believe. Cause me I tell you one thing and you are try force to believe other thing. You believe your man too much. Me tell you all the while no, your man and your brother don't like me. And you come like it, then put it against me. See, you finally are giving to them foolish. Me I can't go in, me not have time to deal with you.
Hello.
Bye-bye.
Come out by your man, you know. I'm sorry, so I never listen to my brother when he tell me, you know. Make sure I say you left by your man, and that me I tell you is me I throw you out of this. Come out. You say I'm a sister, what did you do?
Me
Come
say,
out, see your back there.
take me a next chance, no?
One more chance. Where? When? Where? How? Imagine, you're my sister, my blood sister. Me take you up and me put you in my place. Me carry up, me get one little man and me carry up, me show you one place and tell you you can come sometime and we talk. And you really gone round there and flirt with the man 150 times. The man talk to me about you and me tell him say I lie. My sister will never do that until you show me video and now I believe and you go tell me say I know you that and me forgive you one more chance. Why me forgive you one more chance? Tell me.
Me don't tell you already, I know me there on the video, smile in fine will look like me. And video it and try to behave like me. Cause your man don't like me. And your brother not even like me neither. You continue to go on people when don't like me. I see? And you are trying to set me up, you know, cause you want to put me out long time. Just give me one more chance and I'm sure you say never me.
What you mean I never you? You remember the time when you come there and you tell me about gun there in the house and make me cuss out the man and I'll move, come back here so I have to move, go back in. And you plant the gun there, you feel so I never know. Me? Look here, I'm done talking now, left my place. Go on back up them to daddy, make daddy deal with you. Go on, leave the place, we don't talk.
Give me one more chance, huh? I'm not giving one more chance, you're my sister. You can't put me out.
I can't believe so I never listen to you about that girl lecture and see you know me I end up in a house.
Look like I'm sorry for you. You're stubborn. Brother, I know people I don't like them, they must know that, you know.
Jano. You know see girl plant going up on my man house?
Stop tell lie.
Ah, true.
Stop tell lie.
The girl go up there go tell the man one magazine about me and the man come to me and I tell the man say I don't believe you.
Stop tell lie.
Yo. Cherry and yo, the girl all go back up there and the man video and come show me.
Just imagine when going to my room go do. Me tell a long time I don't trust a girl, you know. My spirit don't take her, you know.
You shoulda listen to
you. Shoulda. Who know you must feel.
Sorry, so me never me Kiera come. All the time you talk at that, you know, me that they sit there always happen to me because tell me not how me don't listen to you.
I wish you get going from your father, guy.
No one. I want a wicked girl, you know, brother. Me don't know why I never listen. Every time I don't listen to you, I say it again. Every time I don't listen to you, this reach me. Every time.
I said, make we set her up, you know, brother.
And she a beg to me about
and take if I want you told if you go, you know.
And that day, you want to sit up woman and see what I make my man go to jail for nothing.
Wicked girl, you know.
Wicked girl.
Me tell you, me say, sis, don't bring a girl come here. I know that I should have feel out, maybe police come dig and find gun in here and so me do you. Me tell you, leave that girl there alone. Leave that girl there. I mean, now I want you again. So, yeah, man, good there, no?
Yeah, me and him good, me I go move back in with him, but...
So when you move back in, don't cook it, go? I set up my dinner cup.
Yeah, man, I can do that and I can carry come again. No, not if you're together. But I wicked girl me a top. You can't believe she really a beg me, please, let me stay. She really a beg, you know.
Stay away.
Go get her one next
Stay away.
Stay away. I true she didn't know say if you are there, you'll kick her up.
Stay away. Stay away.
True, you never there. Me do it until the end of the day to come. I know say I'll probably do something to her. I know say you don't think before you do things.
You're one wise one, you know. You're one wise one, you know. You're not fool. You're not fool at all. You know you got already, you know. We don't play people, you know.
Anyways, we are going go. Where are we?
You know what I'm hungry though, because I compare I think much I got a bag, so I walk out. You don't have to ask that. You don't have to
Alright,
ask
when I
that.
come back I get it dinner.
Where you go?
Walk and rice and peas.
Restaurant them thing them steam some fish and some okra and them
Alright,
thing.
read that. Tell me how we know.
You don't have to ask guys, me show it you.
Yeah guys, so if not hear my voice, that means I want to reach our end of the movie. Thank you for watching, we appreciate it. Hope you watch it right out till right here. So yeah, so remember, keep on commenting about your opinions about the movies. And this is some people are comment about audio sometime. The phone that I am using is an iPhone. And I have one, what's my name? Glenn, you know yourself. Glenn did buy me a camera, but the quality is not so good, so I had to get a phone. Off the camera though, me get the SD card not working on iPhone, but me take files off I put on there. And I also get the mic off of the camera. But right now me aim to buy a camera and computer. I don't know how long it will take. It will take long, but however long it will take, I now start putting in work until I can afford to buy it. I didn't even try to see if I could get a loan from one of the loan places in Portland, but they must say something they must say probably me too young something. So we have to just put in your work until we can buy one. Me need to buy. Me need my aim for this before this year, and I probably by next year. Me supposed to have one camera and one laptop. Me manifest it. So that's my aim, so that we can get better quality. Also, I want to give you some longer movies, but my phone always I say full. So that's why I also need a camera and a laptop, so I can take the files off the phone. If me even not get the camera, if me get a laptop, me get the files off the phone, put it on the laptop, so me can get the space off of the phone. So that's my aim, guys. Me try to make everything alright, so we can watch comfortable. So we don't have a problem with audio, we don't have a problem with graphics, we don't have a problem with none of those something. Yeah, so thanks for watching one more time, and thank you for 1K. And remember, go over to Brock Life Entertainment, go subscribe. Also, don't forget to go over to Roshan and Enjoyyy TV, subscribe, like, share, turn on the post notification bell. Big up on yourself.